ready for your supper?
No, you have to make it that embarrassing.
Here's your supper. What do you think?
Why'd you kill the squids?
For you to eat, young man.
Man, not my squids.
There they are. They're going to taste so delicious.
Squid. 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 Squid.
Back up.
Squid. Squid.
Back up.
Squid.
It's
Squid.
blurry. Okay.
Yes, we're gonna eat it because we have a fork.
All right. Let's see what it tastes like. It might be a little hot, so be careful.
Nom, 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 nom.
Is it hot? Is it just right?
Inky.
Inky. Very good. Do you need any dipping sauce, or is that perfect? Or is that
Fine.
the ink takes care of it?
Yeah.
Okay. Say goodbye, Miss Christina. This is for you. Oh, yeah. I'm going to eat it too, Miss Christina. Mmm.
Where do you take the whole meal?
No, not the whole meal. This is enough. Say bye.